on? Today we're at 1909 East 9th Street. This house is super cute. It's a single family home. It's right near ECU's campus. It does have a carport over there. I'm gonna take y'all inside. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. There is a master suite in this home. Super cute. Let's head on inside. There's tons of natural lighting in this house, guys. These blinds aren't even open, and as you can see, it's super bright in here. You have this adorable fireplace. I absolutely love it. And there's also so much room in here. Super cute. We have a kitchen nook area. I wouldn't really call it a nook because to me, nook implies small, and this kitchen is not small, guys. Absolutely not small. Plenty of room in here. You got a door out to the carport out there. Coming back around, we have bedroom number 1 on our left. Heading down the hall, we have the shared bathroom. This bathroom is really big, guys, honestly. Super cute. Plenty of room in here. Heading down the hall, we have bedroom number 2. Again, really big bedrooms in here. Plenty of room in those closets, guys. Super cute. Heading into the last and final bedroom. Really spacious in here, and this does have its own private bath, guys. Give us a call at 252-344. Visit us at flagshiprentalproperty.com. Thanks, guys.
Renting from Flagship Property Management is easy and has so many advantages. You can pay your rent and make maintenance requests online. There's a 24-hour emergency maintenance hotline, and we have ethical and professional office staff along with so much more. If you like the property that you saw, schedule a viewing online at flagshiprentalproperty.com, or as always, give us a call at 252-364-4944.